Hey everybody, answering more questions for you. This one's from Ngaire and she wants to know how long post desexing before cats can come in the house. She's talking about a stud cat that she's had desexed and he's still spraying. Now I know Ngaire, she's a member of my new cat breeders club, and I will tell you she has Burmese. Burmese may take a little bit longer. It really does come down to the cat, and some cats are more highly charged in terms of hormones than other cats, and that can be individual to the cat, and it can also be influenced by the breed as well. My cats are British Shorthairs. They're not known to be a super hormonal cat, but I have had boys that have been super hormonal. I have 2 boys at the moment that live together that are going to be desexed at the same time. I am pretty certain Cuthbert's going to come around and become a little house cat very quickly, whereas Reggie is going to take a little bit more time because Reggie's the man cat. So I think it depends on the cat. 3 months is quite a while if he's still spraying at that point, but it might be that when he's coming into your house, do you have girl cats in there? Do you have other cats in there? How would he be if he went home to a pet situation where he was the only cat? And some cats will never stop. Some cats will never stop. I have 2 boys in the barn at the moment in a cattery pen. They come out and they live in the barn as well. They have a good life, but every time I start thinking, yeah, now's the moment, one of them will spray on something, and I think, no, it's not the moment. They love to spray on their beds in particular. I would love to transition them to a house situation, but I'm not sure it's going to be possible. So I'm giving them the very best life I can, still being pet cats for me, basically. So some cats will be really easy to do, and like Herbert was really easy. My big boy Herbert was really easy. He never sprayed in the first place, and I'm not saying he didn't stink. He stank, but he didn't spray actively. He didn't go into the corners and kind of thing. So when he did come in the house, I don't think he actually sprayed at all. I've just brought Bobby in. Bobby has been desexed now for a couple of years because Bobby was desexed and then went to live with his dad and then went to live with his son, and he's recently been living with my old cat Sid. So Bobby's had a bit of a transition for friendship, and we've just brought him into the house. There have been a little bit of biffos with the other cat, but he hasn't sprayed. So that's a good thing. But some cats will never stop, and that's, a shame. But also some cats are influenced by the environment. So if we're talking about a Burmese male, 3 months, yeah, I think, they will take a bit longer. And I think the environment around him is going to be different as well. So if he goes to an actual pet home, I think it'll be different again. What you can do is you can send him home with a good big bottle of True Eco, which is the enzyme cleaner that I use. And I know you're in Australia, so you can get that. And I would tell them that there's a possibility that he might pee on something, and be prepared for it, and to introduce him to the areas slowly. So don't let him have the full run of the house at the beginning. Keep him in an area where he's a bit contained, and then he can go to a bigger area and a bigger area. Don't overwhelm him, and let them know that if anything happens that they're not happy with him, he can come straight back to you. I always say with my adults when I'm rehoming, they can come straight back to me. But it's worth trying. It's really worth trying for him. This is for him. It's not for you, it's not for them, it's for him. So it's worth trying for him. If you can do it, then I would see if you can get him into a pet home. Good luck with that. Let me know how you go. Okay, hopefully that was helpful.